Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid background video. First, select your favorite video editing or motion graphics software, like Adobe After Effects or DaVinci Resolve. Next, create a new project, ensuring your video dimensions and frame rate, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, are correctly set. Finally, import any base video footage you plan to use as the foundation for your grid effect. Now, let's design the grid itself. Begin by creating a new solid color layer or a shape layer within your software. Utilize built-in effects, such as a grid generator or a repeater tool, to automatically form your desired pattern. Experiment with parameters like line thickness, perhaps 1 or 2 pixels, and spacing, maybe 50 pixels apart, along with the grid's color to achieve your unique visual style. With your grid designed, it's time to bring it to life. Animate properties like the grid's position, making it scroll or its scale, causing it to expand or contract. Adjust its opacity to fade in or out. Then, use blending modes, such as screen or overlay, to seamlessly integrate the grid with your main background video. Consider adding subtle effects like a soft glow or a slight distortion for enhanced visual appeal. Finally, let's finalize your creation. Watch the entire video carefully, ensuring the grid animation perfectly synchronizes with your background footage and maintains a smooth visual flow. When satisfied, optimize your export settings for both file size and quality, aiming for balance that suits your platform, whether it's for web or broadcast. Then, export your stunning new grid background video in a common format like MP4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.